G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for the 9th of August. It was pretty much a range-bound session today, given some softer German data coming out. That kept a lid on the euro, although Fitch, the ratings agency, reaffirmed Germany's AAA rating, and that helped the euro find a base on the day at around 123.25. It's currently trading around 123.65 and is pretty quiet for the time being. Sterling, that was reasonably active today though, after the Bank of England quarterly report. Mervyn King, the governor, downgraded the growth outlook for 2013-14 virtually to zero, but he hosed down any hopes of further rate cuts in the near future. And sterling rebounded quite strongly off its lows, got up to 156.75, currently trading around just above 156.5. There was some pretty heavy sales of euro sterling after the announcement, and that helped keep the pressure on the euro and push sterling a little bit higher. Elsewhere, it's all been pretty quiet really. Dollar yen's at 78.5, just under there, 78.45. Dollar Swiss 97.15. That's been a fairly quiet session there, and also the Aussie and the Kiwi. They're not doing an awful lot at the moment. 105.70 and 81.5 respectively. But it's going to be a big day ahead. I think we're going to have a pretty busy session. We've got the New Zealand unemployment at any moment now. This will be followed by the Australian unemployment later on in the morning. And then we've got the Bank of Japan interest rate decision, and we've got plenty of data out of China as well, headed by the CPI, which is expected to drop to about 1.7% according to most analysts. We've also got the PPI, industrial production, and retail sales to look forward to. So all up, it could be a pretty volatile session in Asia this afternoon, and that'll be carried on later in the day when we've got the ECB monthly report. And there's some secondary data coming out of the States as well. So all up, it could be a pretty lively day. But that's about it for now. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, just please remember that any outlook mentioned here as usual is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.